Hello everybody, and welcome to Frame Family Farm. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. It's unseasonably warm here in Ohio. It's in the mid 50s and it's only the 8th of December, or sorry, the 8th of January. Very unusually warm. But since it's so nice out today, I'm going to go ahead and let the birds out. First, I'm going to let the littles out. I'll let those guys all hang on. I just got them water. We're going to let these guys out. And then we'll look at these guys all ready to come on out. Been cooped up for a while. We're also going to go ahead and feed everybody real quick. You guys are looking for some food. They have a little bit of water left, but it's time to go ahead and give them some fresh. Fortunately, it's been very rainy around here and all the snow melted, so it's quite a mess over here right now. It's quite a mess. Just filled up the feeders for the littles. I'll pull eggs and that's pretty much it. I've got to go over and take care of the cows. There'll be another video here soon of that. But thanks for watching, everybody, and everybody have a blessed day.